So there isn't. So it will take quite some time for people. It will take quite some time for people to move on.
والله لما صافي
Quite a bit of a bottleneck, but judging by the amount of military machines over there, Poland is not welcoming at all.
То, чего так долго ждали, наконец случилось, после недельного стояния.
Here, I see, is